In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Paperform on a website, whether you're setting it up for a professional project or simply looking to streamline personal tasks. Embedding Paperform can be a game changer. Let's dive right into it and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Paperform account. Once you've signed in, the next step is to open the form that you are ready to publish. This is an important part of getting your form out there and interacting with your audience. If you haven't created a form yet, make sure you design one that suits your needs before proceeding. After opening the form, direct your attention to the top menu bar on your interface. Here, you'll see an option labeled Share. Click on this and you'll be presented with various sharing options. This is where we can customize how we want our form to appear on our website. You have three main options to consider: inline embed, pop-up embed, and full page. Choosing the inline embed option allows you to directly place the form on a web page, seamlessly integrating it with your existing content. This is particularly useful if you want the form to be part of the user's browsing experience without interrupting their flow. Now, if you opt for the pop-up embed, the form will display as a pop-up window. This option can be great for drawing attention to the form without taking up additional space on the page. Finally, the full page option is there if you prefer to share the form as a standalone page. This can be ideal when you want to direct users specifically and solely to your form, away from other content on your site. After selecting the option that best suits your needs, you will be provided with an HTML embed code. This part is simple yet crucial. You need to copy this HTML embed code meticulously. Once copied, navigate to your website's HTML editor. Think about where you want this form to appear. Is it on the home page, a contact page, or perhaps a landing page dedicated to a specific campaign you're working on? Where it will best serve its purpose depends on your goals and how you've designed your website layout. Once decided, paste the copied HTML code into the specific section of your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. Make sure to save your changes so your embedded form is live and functional. Now your paper form is all set and should be seamlessly visible and ready to use on your site. By following these steps, you've successfully deployed Paperform on your website. Whether it's for gathering customer information, processing feedback, or any other interactive purpose, your form is now ready to connect with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.